In this chapter, there are some important definitions. The first one is work function. The work function, the minimum amount of energy. It is the minimum amount of energy required by the electron to escape from the metallic surface is called work function. It is denoted by phi naught or W. The important thing about work function is the work function is different for different metals, and generally it is written in electron volt. The second definition in this chapter is stopping potential or cutoff potential. Stopping potential or cutoff potential. So the minimum negative potential of the plate at which plate current becomes zero is called stopping potential or cutoff potential. As stopping potential stops the electrons of maximum kinetic energy. As stopping potential stops the electrons of maximum kinetic energy, therefore stopping potential is a measure of maximum kinetic energy of the electrons emitted. So K, that is kinetic energy, or it is written as Ek, K or Ek, it is equal to half mv maximum square equal to ev naught. So the kinetic energy, the important thing also in this, the kinetic energy of all photoelectrons is not same. Its value varies from 0 to certain maximum value. The third important definition is threshold frequency. The threshold frequency is the minimum frequency of the incident light at which the stopping potential V naught or the maximum kinetic energy of the emitted electron becomes 0. So if the frequency of incident light is less than the threshold frequency, the photoelectrons will not emit. That is, there is no photoelectric effect. Now the experimental study of the photoelectric effect. So here is the apparatus. This apparatus consists of, here is an evacuated tube, glass tube that is evacuated. It consists of cathode C and a plate P that is known as anode. When a light of suitable frequency incident on cathode, electrons are emitted. Now the plate P, in this circuit, the plate P is connected to the positive terminal of the battery and C is connected to the negative terminal of the battery. Here is a micrometer is connected in series and a voltmeter is connected in parallel to measure current and potential difference with the help of rheostat and key. So as the P is at the positive potential, so electrons are attracted toward the plate P and the circuit is completed and there is a current in the circuit. That current is measured with the help of this microammeter. Now certain graphs are drawn on the basis of this experiment. The first is effect of potential. The first one is effect of potential on photoelectric current. Suppose when a light of suitable frequency and a given intensity is incident on the cathode C, electrons are emitted. Now here is a graph is drawn. This is the graph between potential and current. So with the help of rheostat, when the potential is increased between C and P, it is observed that more number of electrons reaches to plate P, that is current increases. So as potential increases, current increases. Now the terminals of the battery are inverted. and again the voltage is increased. At certain value of the negative voltage, this current decreases. So the maximum value of the current, we have maximum value as the potential increases, current increases, and it reaches a maximum value. So then this maximum value of the current is called saturated current or saturation current. The second experimental result is effect of intensity of light. As the intensity of light is increased, it is observed that current also increases. Means there is a linear variation between current and intensity. That is, photoelectric current is directly proportional to intensity. So there is a straight line graph between intensity and current. Again, a graph is drawn for a given metallic cathode and for same frequency but varying intensity of incident light. सेम फ्रीक्वेंसी की लाइट इंसिडेंट हो रही है लेकिन इंटेंसिटी डिफरेंट है. सो फॉर थ्री डिफरेंट इंटेंसिटीज I1, I2, I3, graph is drawn. Here I3 is greater than I2, I2 is greater than I1. As intensity increases, the photoelectric current increases, but the stopping potential is same for all the three intensities I1, I2, I3. It means the stopping potential is same, and the stopping potential is a measure of maximum kinetic energy. Means stopping potential is same, it means the kinetic energy of the electrons is same for different intensities. So we can say the maximum kinetic energy of the photoelectron is independent of the intensity of incident light. Next experimental study is effect of frequency. Here, for a given metallic cathode and of same intensity, अब जो लाइट यूज़ कर रहे हैं उसकी इंटेंसिटी सेम है बट वेरिंग फ्रीक्वेंसी अलग अलग है. सो हियर आर थ्री फ्रीक्वेंसीज आर टेकन, nu1, nu2, nu3, such that nu3 is greater than nu2, nu2 is greater than nu1. Intensity is same. It has been observed in experiment that the current is same for all the three frequencies. Means when intensity is same, frequency is varied, current is same. It means the photoelectric current does not depend upon frequency, it depends upon intensity. But what happened to the stopping potential? The stopping potential in this case is different. It is BO1 for frequency nu1, BO2 for frequency nu2, and this is BO3 for frequency nu3. So as from this graph it is clear that as the frequency increases, stopping potential increases, and stopping potential is a measure of maximum kinetic energy of the emitted electron. It means the kinetic energy depends upon the frequency. So here the result, the photoelectric current remains unaffected by the change of frequency. Current तो same रहेगी, but the stopping potential increases with increase of frequency of incident light. So we can say the kinetic energy depends upon the frequency. The fourth graph is effect of metal of cathode. If we use different metallic cathode, here cesium and silver is taken, graph is drawn between stopping potential and frequency. The graph is parallel, but these graphs intersect the frequency axis at two different values, nu1 and nu2. It means the threshold frequency is different for different metallic cathode. अलग अलग कैथोड के लिए, मेटल्स के लिए जो थ्रेशोल्ड फ्रीक्वेंसी है ये अलग अलग होगी. एंड द फिफ्थ ऑब्जर्वेशन, एक्सपेरिमेंटल ऑब्जर्वेशन, इज इंस्टेंटेनियस emission. So when light is made incident on metal of cathode, the current begins to flow with no time lag. So these are the experimental results of photoelectric effects. of this chapter. Thank you.